Friends, today we come to you with a video on how to create a series PDF file from offline. It is now possible to create PDF files or create a series PDF file without installing any software online. But even when you're offline, you can easily create a series PDF file using Adobe Photoshop. This is our endeavor today, hopefully for your benefit. Let's get started after the intro video. In the meantime, you subscribe to the channel. After opening Adobe Photoshop, to create a series PDF file, click on File and click on the New option to create as many PDF pages as you want and create new pages. I created 3 pages here to create a 3-page PDF and took the pages horizontally. You can do whatever you need. Once the page has been created, replace your desired text, image or anything else on it and proceed as shown in video. Guys, notice here that I have created a series PDF by replacing the image file. You can replace text, scan copy or anything else you want here due to pressing the Shift button while dragging the image file. After replacing your content on the pages, click on the File option above and go to the Automate option and select PDF Presentation from here. From the PDF presentation, check the box Add Open File. That means that the pages are open in Adobe Photoshop. They will show up here. You can add any other file by clicking on the Browse option. Anyway, ordered your pages sequenced right from here. Then check the Multi-Page option and save. Then set the output quality to what you want and save it again. The PDF file will be saved to your desired folder. Friends, you can see that our desired series PDF file is ready. So be good. We'll come to you again with different topics at different times. Thanks.
Blow your mind. And tonight I'm alive in a dollar sign. Guaranteed I can blow your mind. And tonight I'm alive in a dollar sign. Guaranteed I can blow your mind.